Hello Pisces! Welcome to Glimpse 369. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang second week ng April mo. Okay, so past, present, future, maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Okay, sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate na Pisces, better luck next time. Baka po energy nyo nang masagap ko. Sa mga Pisces naman po na makaka-resonate, alam niyo na po ang galawan. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe ka na rin po, notification bell, para po stay connected tayo. Okay po? So, let's see. For my Pisces, please. Second week of April. Bilis. Queen of Fire. Two of Fire. Oh my God. Six of Air. Five of Fire. There's a drama. Five of Fire. Five of Wands pala. Competition. Five of Wands, no? Competition, fight. What was he? Page card. Queen of Fire. Spying guard. Ace of Wands at saka King of Swords. The Empress card. Oh my God. Ace of the Death card. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Swords. Knight of Wands at saka Ten of Wands. Oh, Four of Wands. So, Pisces, ang nakikita ko dito with the Hierophant card at the bottom of the deck is all about the contract. You are fighting for something here. Okay. May pinaglalaban ka dito, Pisces. Pisces, hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang nag-i-spy or someone is spying on you. Okay. You embody the Queen of Wands. Okay. Queen of Wands energy, but I think this person is already blocked, or maybe blocked energetically, or maybe you are not talking to this person anymore. Okay. Hindi ka na nakikipag-usap dito, kinat off mo na to. King of Wands, definitely. But this person, kung sino man to siya, nag-i-spying siya, pero hindi ko alam kung gusto niya ng communication. This person, nakikita ka niya is very defensive energy. Together with the High Priestess, malakas din ang intuition mo, but this person maybe can perceive as a psychic as well. Kung sino man yung nag-i-spy sa'yo, Pisces, or maybe ikaw ang nag-i-spy dito, someone is having anong tawag yan, meron siyang mataas na intuition. Nakakaramdam siya dito ng mga something going on behind the scene. With the Strength card, definitely. Lakas. Alam nitong person na to na mataas ang boundary mo, King and Queen of Wands. This is, in some point, naging ex mo to. In some point, naging gayo. Okay, in some point, naging intimate kayo with the Ace of Wands. Okay. Ini-spyang ka nito, Pisces, or maybe ikaw ang nag-i-spy, having new beginning with another person, or having a new beginning somewhere else, or having a new beginning with yourself. Ganun. Nakikita ka niya as a very, actually with the King of Swords here, this person is energetically blocked. Sexually. Okay. Block to. Block or energetically block or some sort. Okay, yan ang masasabi ko, Pisces. Pero this person, either ikaw ang mataas ang intuition, or maybe this person is mataas ang intuition niya. Okay, with the Queen of Pentacles, tama nga. Nakikita ka niya is very independent and very stable, very grounded. Kung ano man yung sinabi mo, yun na yun. Papanindigan mo. You know what I mean? Together with the Five of Pentacles. Pero napiperceive ka niya, or baka ikaw ang napiperceive mo tong taong tong wala lang siyang maharap-harapan. You know what I mean? Or maybe ikaw nag-iisip niyan, or maybe the another person is nag-iisip sa'yo ng ganyan. yung tipong meron kang sinabi, intuition mo, kinommunicate mo kung anong nararamdaman mo. Tapos naisip nitong person na no, because maybe you're just feeling alone. Okay. That's why you are telling that, or maybe that's why, you know what I mean? Or maybe ikaw ang nag-iisip na ni-left out mo siya, or feeling left out, o wala lang marap-harapan. Okay, dalawa ng 5 mo dito. 5 of Swords and 5 of Cups at saka 5 of Pentacles. So, meron dito mga regret action. Maybe this person sees you as nagsisisi, or maybe you see this person as nagsisisi. Okay, sa mga past action niya before. With the 5 of Wands, there is a fight. 5 of Fire, 5 of Wands, the same thing. So, malaki ang fallout nyo, malaki ang fallout mo with this person. Hindi ko alam kung boss mo yan, katrabaho mo yan, lover mo yan. Pero as I said, in some point, naging intimate kayo nito. Okay. In some point, naging intimate kayo. And there's gonna be a fight here. Mga yan, palitan ng masasakit na salita. Okay. Hindi man ganun ka-blunt, pero nagpo-project lang siya kasi feeling left out siya by you, or maybe ikaw ang nagpo-project, feeling left out by this person, and parehas kayong regretful in the past action. Okay, so andito na nag-take place ng 5 of Swords, ay 5 of Wands, palitan ng mga salita. Okay, with the Star card, pero this person gusto niyang ihilang sitwasyon, or maybe ikaw gustong makipag-ayos. Gustong makipag-ayos at the end of the day. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Pisces, sa first row. Second row naman, 2 of Fire, the Empress card, the Ace of Cups, at saka the Death card. So, ang lakas ng pagbabago dito. Kung ano man ang pinaplano mo, Pisces, you want to... Gusto mo, hindi ko alam kung ikaw to or another person, pero gustong makipag-partnership for sure. Okay. This is all about new. Ito, reset yan. Ace of Cups is a new love. Ace of Cups is a renewal love. Like, overflowing love. You know what I mean? Together with the Empress card. Together with the 2 of Fire. Okay, so... Ang nakikita ko dito, Pisces, may gustong makipag-collaborate sa iyo, or maybe ikaw gusto mong makipag-collaborate on someone that you love, someone that you have a desire of getting in together, or basta meron kang isang taong nagde-desire ka sa isang taong mahal mo, na gusto mo makapag-partnership, or maybe yung taong basta gusto mo makipag-partnerships on someone together with the Temperance card, pero pinipigilan mo lang, binabalance mo lang kung ano man ang mga dapat i-balance. You are moving into calmer water, maybe travel, hindi ko alam kung magta-travel ka towards this person, and maybe this person is going to travel towards you. 8 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw sa side mo gusto mong i-workout ang relationship, or maybe the another person gusto niyang i-workout ang relationship, moving into the next level kind of thing. Okay. Yes, definitely. May magkakarisma dito or magkakarinyo. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang maglalambing dito or pampering, or maybe this person is going to pamper you, like i-spoil ka niya, or maybe ikaw ang mag-i-spoil sa kanya. So, either way lang. Yun ang nakikita ko dito sa second row, Pisces. Together with the 6 of Air, dalawa na ang 6 of Air mo. Meron ka ditong 6 of Air, 6 of Swords din. Ito 6 of Swords din do. So, malakas ang travel dito. Hindi ko alam kung moving in together or maybe reconciliation. But someone here is feeling stabbed in the back on some sort. Okay. Hindi niya alam kung magkakaroon pa ng new beginning dito kasi meron tayong 10 of Swords. 10 of Swords to the 2 of Swords. Hindi niya alam magkakaroon pa ng new beginning dito or reconciliation or something. Okay. So, nakikita ko. But there is a communication here. Very fast communication. Okay. But in the back of this person's mind, nagdadalawang isip siya. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang nagdadalawang isip or maybe the another person is nagdadalawang isip regarding saan? Regarding sa moving in together or being intimate together. Okay. The Tower card, very unexpected. With the Ace of Swords, parang mapapa-oo na lang. Ace of Swords, saka Ace of Pentacles together with the 4 of Wands. Moving in together is starting a new life, starting, resetting. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. But, Kung sa makikita mo, merong stabbing in the back dito. May naglaro sa field eh. Player type energy with the 10 of swords. Stabbing in the back. So, this another person is just like, sige na lang. Sige na lang. Pero deep inside with this person and this person back of his mind or her mind, sa likod ng isip nitong taong to kung sino man tong magmo-moving in together, meron siyang lingering energy na feeling stab in the back. Okay. Very unexpected. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Sa third row, Pisces. Four of Cups, feeling rejection. Hindi ko talaga alam. Kasi bakit ko nasabing hindi ko talaga alam? Kasi hindi ko masabi kung rejection. In some point, parang may rejection talaga dito regarding sa mga new beginning. Kasi the another person is like feeling stab in the back. Very unexpectedly. Ayan, ang ganda sana. Oh. Ang ganda sana. Moving in together, starting new life, starting there's gonna be para bagang walang ibang mangyari kundi transparency, walang sekreto, walang ano, lahat yan nakasiwalat with the Ace of Swords, lahat ay pawang katotohanan lamang, together with the Ace of Pentacles, new beginning, new opportunity, living in together with the Ace of Cups, with the Four of Wands. Ano pa bang masasabi mo dyan? Reconciliation, getting in together. Pero from some of you, meron dito kasing player type, stabbing in the back, feeling nasa crossroad kung tatanggapin ng offer or no. Very unexpectedly. Okay, ganda na sana eh. Naudlot pa. Yun lang, masasabi ko. Okay. Kung ano man yan para sa'yo. Ganda na sana, naudlot lang. With the Five of Swords, merong confrontation na magte-take place dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng drama ang magaganap dito sa third row. Basta may drama dyan. With the Wheel of Fortune, but it will change. It will change someone's mind. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung kanino isip ang magbabago, but regarding sa argument na to at rejection na to, merong isang taong magbabago ang isip. Yun ang masasabi ko, Pisces. Hindi ko alam kung paano, ano yan sa'yo. Okay. Anong advice? Yun lang masasabi ko, Pisces. Sa mga naka-resonate po, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe at saka notification bell na lang po para stay connected tayo. Pero po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate na Pisces, better lang next time po. Baka po energy nyo na ang masagap po. So, a time to give rather than to take. Your dreams need a practical plan. And the energy is gaining momentum. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ka mag-fit in dyan, Pisces. Pero yan lang masasabi ko. Nothing will come into this situation. Oh my God. So, yes. I will give you 3 cards. 3 numbers. Angel message number. Google mo to siya. Meron tayong to na nag-pop out. Pero, ibabalik ko pa rin yan. Give me 3 number for my Pisces, please. Angel message number. May joker ka tao. Sorry. Meron kang joker. So, pay attention. Naglalaro ang tadhana. Okay, meron kang 1, 1, 3. 1, 1, 3. Google mo siya, Pisces. Hindi ko alam kung naglalaro ang tadhana sa'yo o meron siyang test. So, joker. So, Pisces. 113. Google mo angel message number. So, Pisces, alam mo ng galawan. Hindi ko alam kung saan ka makaka-resonate dyan. Pero ito lang maihain ko sa'yo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching and bye for now.